Hello, today I'll be walking you through how to get a simple Blinky program on your MSP430. First things first, we need Code Composer Studio, which is the integrated development environment that Texas Instruments use to not only compile, link, but also program our boards. So go ahead and go to the TI website for Code Composer Studio and make sure to download the Code Composer Studio, CC Studio, IDE, not the CC Studio Thea. That is not the one we want. Once you have Code Composer Studio up and running, go ahead and open it up. You should be greeted with a blank window and a Project Explorer on the left. In order to make a new project, we're going to go to File, New, CCS Project. A screen should pop up and we should have a couple options in front of us. First, we're going to select our target. So go ahead and select the MSP430 family type that you are. So in my case, it is the MSP430G2553. For connection, just go with whatever Code Composer Studio defaults as, unless you have your MSP430 connected to a different USB port. Name the project. In my case, I named it Blink the LED. And then on the bottom left, you have basic examples that you can load. In our case, we're going to select Blink the LED, which already has starter code for us. After you finish that, go ahead and click Finish. You should be greeted with a nice Blinky program. And if we want to run this, we can do that by hitting the debug or bug symbol, which will allow us to single step through our program, or we can just flash our program to our MSP430 by clicking the folder and the button called Flash. As you can see, our MSP430 is blinking the LED connected to pin 1 at a relative rate. I will now explain what some of the lines in our code do. Line number 1 is the include MSP430.h. This is a header file that defines an important API that we can use in our program. Line 9 is the watchdog control register, and we can stop our watchdog timer, which is important because if we did not, we would have our board reset continuously. Line 10 is our pin 1 direction register. Once we OR it with 1, we will configure this register and our pin 1 as an output. Line 12 is just an instantiation of a variable I, while the while loop on line 14 through 18 toggles pin 1 by touching the pin 1 out register address and toggling it with an XOR. And then we have introduced a delay by using a for loop which counts down from 10,000. Hopefully this helped, and have a great day.